Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and resolve disputes with buyers. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, let me just show you exactly the step-by-step methods eBay itself has said in order to go ahead and solve major issues with eBay buyers. So first thing would be simply going ahead and contacting a buyer or bidder. Go ahead and get in contact with them and simply go ahead and try to solve it. So for example, if it is your fault, your product's problem, or your product was faulty, then go ahead and offer them with a full refund and let them keep the product as well. If they like the product, if it's not that much big of a problem of the product itself, go ahead and offer them partial refunds. However, if you don't have a problem at all with the products, however, the buyer is constantly nagging you, or the buyer is constantly pressuring you without you even having any problem, what you can do is report an issue with a buyer straight to eBay, and then they'll go ahead and mediate and solve this problem. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.